Dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Abdul Ghaffur, General Manager, Ibn Sina Child Medicine Division, Narayanganj. Today I am going to show you the way how you can take leave through reporting from MPO to General Manager and the way how it can be approved by their respective line manager. Okay, let's see. At first, you have to open this software from your mobile. You can find out this Step ERP software in your mobile software or laptop. So, first you have to open this interface and then you have to input the employee code, that is IPI. Today, I will demonstrate leave of Mr. Jahangir Rana and then I will show you the way how it can be approved by the respective line manager. At first, I shall import his IPI number, that is IPI dash 00535399. Okay, then password, then press sign in. You will be able to see the full interface of the software. In the left hand side, you can see the leave option. Right after the leave, you have to press the drop down menu. You can see here leave apply. You just have to press the leave apply button. Then you can see how many leave he has taken, detailed list you can see here. Right after the leave option, you can see the leave application button. You have to press here. I am pressing here. We can see the leave entry form. Here you can see something about leave entry form like IPI code, name of employee, leave type, leave balance, etc. What type of leave you want to apply, you can see here. By pressing the right drop down menu, you can see here the option of your leave, that is casual leave, sick leave, earned leave, leave without payment and leave encashment. As I demonstrate a leave of Mr. Jahangir Rana, I shall take earned leave of Mr. Jahangir Rana, then I pressed here. Then you can see leave balance. He has 87 earned leave balance and taken 0. Here you can see the proposed start date, that is you have to press the calendar button here. Then he has gone to his home from 12th of May. So I am pressing there. Then I shall press proposed end date. His end date was 18th of June. So I am pressing on the 18th of June, that is 38 days. Then leave purpose. Leave purpose is coronavirus pandemic. Coronavirus pandemic. Leave address Devanganj, Jamalpur with his mobile number. Proposed employee department marketing by default it is available here. Then proposed employee name is Muhammad Jahangir Rana. You have to find here MD Jahangir Rana. Then you all have to do just press this apply button and your application will be executed. So I am pressing the apply button. Then you can see the top right side action proceed. That is, his application has been placed to his respective line manager. Then I shall sign out from Mr. Jahangir Rana. Then we can see the interface again. As it is a demonstration, I shall approve this leave on behalf of his line manager, Mr. Anisur Rahman. His IPI code is here and his password already given there because few days ago his leave was applied by this laptop. So pressing again on sign in, then the left side on the leave option I pressing here and then I can see the three option. Number one is leave apply, that is Mr. Anisur Rahman may apply his leave pressing this button and he will be able to approve his colleagues leave by pressing this option. You can see here the one approve is pending. By pressing this third option, a line manager can see the status of his approved leave. So at first I am going to show you the way how it can be approved. So I am pressing here. Here you can see that Mr. Jahangir Rana's leave application showing here for approval. So I shall press the pencil button of the left side of his application. Then this is the option for leave approval. Here all particulars displaying, you can see status. You may reject or return to the applicant for correction or approve. As I shall approve, so I am pressing on approve. Then I shall write some comments. That's all. Then you have to press the forward button. Okay, I am pressing the forward button. Action proceed. That is, the application has gone to the next line manager, that is general manager. When the general manager will approve, then it will go to the next line manager. Now the third option, pressing here we shall see the approved list of Mr. Anisur Rahman. Here we can see the right side that Mr. Jahangir Rana's application waiting for ZM's approval. Now I shall sign out from area managers option. Okay. Now I shall sign in again as a general manager to approve and forward this application to the head office. Okay, I shall sign in again for approval of general manager. So I am pressing the left side pencil button. It is decided to be approved. So I shall write my comment here. Whatever you want to write comment here. I wrote his leave application is approved and forwarded for further approval. I just have to press the forward button. Now it is waiting for the approval of our Honorable GM Marketing sir. Here you can see waiting for General Manager's approval. Then it will go to the HR department. Here you can see application of Mr. Anisur Rahman waiting for HR department, and sometimes you can see when the application will be finally approved, and you can see here the status finally approved by HR department. So in the field level our application procedure is finished. Then I shall sign out again as my demonstration finished. Okay, I hope you have understood easily because it is very easy. Just show you the way how it can be done. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.